Hey guys, today I'll be doing a brief tutorial on how to properly assemble a boba switch from Gazzew. This method can and should be used for switches from any manufacturer. A few people are finding they have inconsistent tactility after assembling or reassembling their switches, and this stems from one simple misstep that many are unaware of. This often missed step is holding down the stem while putting on the top. What happens from a failure to hold the stem down is the sudden force of the top being snapped on is causing trauma to the leaf from the stem's sudden abrupt impact and damaging it. By simply holding down the stem while putting the top on the switch, the sudden trauma can be avoided and preserve the tactility of that fragile leaf. You want to begin your switch assembly as you would normally. You would place your spring in your switch base, put your stem on the spring, making sure that the legs of the stem are facing towards the leaf in the switch base. You want to press that down and hold it down with your thumb. You can hold it however you feel comfortable. I prefer to hold it this way, where I use the tip of my finger just to hold it down. Then you want to make sure that you have your top oriented correctly with the solid part where it does not go over the LEDs, facing to where it's going to go over the leaf. What I like to do is I place the tip of my finger so it's going through the hole just a little bit. It sticks out, a couple millimeters. And then I put that over there and slide my thumb out and continue to hold down that stem. So the little bit of finger that is sticking through that hole is holding the stem down. And then you can just push the top on, and that's going to keep the stem held down while the top is on, preventing that sudden impact. Once you do this and start assembling this way, you will find that your tactility remains consistent and keeps that factory fresh tactile feel. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day.